If you're looking for ink that brings your art and photos to life, Epson XP-15000 ink cartridges deliver exactly that. These cartridges produce vivid, high-contrast images with smooth, natural skin tones that truly stand out. Plus, your prints can last more than 200 years when stored properly, perfect for preserving your work or cherished memories. What makes this ink especially convenient is the 6 individual cartridge system. Instead of replacing an entire set, you only swap out the color that runs out. This not only saves money but also reduces waste, making it a smart choice for frequent printing. Many users love this ink for their Epson XP-15000 wide format printers. One reviewer praised how beautifully the colors come out, highlighting the ink's ability to handle detailed shots with impressive clarity. Whether you print photos, artwork, or graphics, the results consistently impress. Weekly printing is no problem either. The ink flows smoothly and reliably, supporting regular use without clogs or fading. This steady performance is key if you depend on your printer for ongoing projects or professional work. Availability can be a challenge since these cartridges aren't widely stocked in retail stores. That's why many turn to trusted online sources where they can find genuine Epson XP-15000 ink quickly and at a good price. Fast shipping and competitive rates make it worth a look if you want hassle-free refills. If you've struggled to find ink that fits your Epson XP-15000 printer, this option stands out for compatibility and quality. It's the go-to choice for those who want consistent, vibrant prints without the guesswork or frequent replacements. In short, Epson XP-150 ink offers what serious printers need: archival quality, longevity, stunning color accuracy, and the ease of replacing individual cartridges. If that's you, it's worth considering for your next ink purchase. Try Epson XP-150 ink when you're ready to elevate your printing experience. It's designed to keep your art and photos looking their best for years to come.